Good morning. Just sharing a really quick video with you. Going to a really cool event that I hope to do some videotaping of, but I just wanted to show you this before I go because I don't know what I'm going to have left when I come home. But it's a zine show at the Newark Museum of Art, and I'm bringing some that I made from magazine pages. These aren't finished. I'm going to finish them there. This is a couple that I finished, and I want to put my scan bar for my Substacks on the back. These I made in the spring, and I just love them. And this one I just made this morning. I also love this, and I'm going to do another minute video of this in a second. So these are called zines. I hope to do a video where I'll show you how to fold these, but I still am in the beginning stages of folding them. So, but this one I just wanted to share because I did fold it a couple months. I folded it in October, and I love it. It's a big picture of someone relaxing and reading. And I found this on YouTube today, and I just wanted, not YouTube, it was on Facebook. It's probably on YouTube too. But it's Sharon Salzberg's 8 tips for anxiety. Number 1, be kind to yourself. 2, reach out to someone. And, oh, I can't turn the pages. Anyway, these are 8 pages long, so I thought this would be perfect to make it a little zine. Remember that you aren't alone. Help someone else out. Don't believe all your thoughts. And lastly, 7 or 6, make a gratitude list. Remember that everyone struggles. And 8, practice loving kindness. I think these are great. I saw this on Facebook. I printed it out today and then cut it out, and then I just finished it. I put my scan bar on for my bookshop and my Substacks. Now I'm going to go live with people that have the same interest in zines. There's 80 vendors selling zines. I know, it's a whole new world for me. I can't wait to go and see who I see. Meet some new people and exchange ideas. And what I love about this is in just a few minutes, I'm finished. It's not like writing a book where I don't know when I'll ever be finished. So it's very satisfying to me. I'm so glad I found this year.